Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a hair tutorial for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys how I got these beautiful waves using a crimper, and I'll be sure to leave everything that I'm using in the bedhead crimper, and it's called the Away We Go, and this is how it looks. It has 4 different crimp styles. This is the first one, second, third, fourth. I'm going to be using the first one, which is the smallest, and I just love this nozzle right here because once you click it to where you know what wave you want, it just locks automatically. And these are the dials right here. It goes all up to 400 degrees, and that's the degrees I'm going to be using, which is the hottest one. So let's get right into this video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be using is the Beyond the Zone Turn Up the Heat Flat Iron Protection, and I'm just going to spray this all over the hair, but not too much because too much of this will make your hair very oily. Then I'm going to begin brushing so that way I can distribute the product all throughout the hair before crimping. I'm starting with the back, and I am taking about 2 or 3 tracks and putting the rest up so that I can crimp in sections. I am going to place the crimper as close as possible to the weft and hold it for about 10 seconds or maybe 7 because it's so hot. And then I'm going to guide the crimper down evenly so I get an even wave. Hopefully I explained that well enough for you guys to understand, but just keep watching and I'm going to show you guys again exactly what I'm going to do. In these next clips, I'm going to fast forward it because this video will be extremely long if I don't, but please follow along to get these beautiful waves. guys, so here is the finished look and I am loving it. I'm getting ready to head out, so I'm gonna show y'all the back real quick. Super cute. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you leave a big thumbs up. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you hit the notification bell so y'all don't miss another video. I'm gonna catch y'all later.